Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I am back with another tutorial video of how you can check logins and logout history on Facebook. So just to do that, go ahead and open up your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you'll be appear with the home page of Facebook. Now here on the bottom right corner, you can see little profile icon where there is menu also written. Go ahead and tap on it. And on the top right corner you can see the gear icon which is also represented as settings. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll be appear with the settings of Facebook. Now here if you scroll all the way down, you can see your activity. Go ahead and tap on activity log. So now you'll be appear with several options. Go ahead and tap on security and login information and tap on login and logouts. Now it will show you all the details of where you have been logged in and logged out. And that's all guys. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.